But Mrs. Ramos is very, very simple. Hindi mo siya makikita na nagyayabang ng pera. Hindi mo siya makikita na nagpapakita ng pera. Si Mrs. Ramos does not even have a single jewelry like I do. I'm so in love with jewelry. Si Mrs. Ramos, pakita mo siya ng puwet ng baso at pakita mo siya ng brilyante, she wouldn't know which is which. I remember one time, we went to Iloilo. So pagdating doon, nandun yung mga alahera ko, nagpunta na sa akin. So I called on Mrs. Ramos. Sabi ko, Tita Ming, you buy this, it's very nice. That was a 4-carat diamond. Sabi niya, Mother, wala naman akong pera. Nagtuturo lang naman ako, empleyado lang ako sa international school. Swelduhan lang ako, wala naman akong pera. Sabi ko, hulugan naman ito, 1 year to pay. Sabi niya, ayaw ko, nahihiya ako. Sabi niya, that's simple how she is. Wala akong word na makuha, magrats to describe how simple of a person they are. As in, they are very, very, very simple. Wala akong nakikitang garbo, walang mga mamahaling damit, walang mga mamahaling alahas, walang mga mamahaling kotse. Mas mamahalin pa mga kotse ko kaysa kay Mrs. Ramos. But her heart is very pure. Hindi ko makakalimutan one time nung magsama kami dalawa sa Hong Kong. Nung malaman ng mga tao na pupunta siya sa Hong Kong, siguro I think that's 6 months after or 8 months after na first lady na siya. We went to Hong Kong, then nalaman ng governor ng Hong Kong na nandun siya. Tapos nagsunuran yung mga socialite ng Philippines to see her there. So when they come to learn that she's there, all the socialite went there. Then the governor represented all the ladies and they invited Mrs. Ramos and the group kami na to have dinner. The governor of Hong Kong is giving an honor dinner for her together with the socialite of Metro Manila. And I told her, alika na, libre pagkain, kumain tayo ng masarap na pagkain. Sabi niya sa akin, wag na, Mother. Sabi ko, bakit ayaw mo? Huwag natin pagkaabalahan yung mga yan kasi lahat ng mga taong yan, mabango lang ang puwit ko sa kanila dahil ako ay first lady. But after this, I'm just another basurat. You know, for a person to say that,